Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Nick Mamaikuma Sibid Masofri from SK Tanjung Besar, District of Pedantera. Recycling. Recycling is a form of waste management that involves converting waste and other used material into reusable products. Recycling helps extend the life of something that has already served its initial purpose by returning it to its raw materials and then using those materials to produce something that is usable. It's part of the three golden rules of sustainability: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling also plays a big part in protecting our Mother Nature. For example, recycled paper manufactured from specific trees is continually utilized to reduce deforestation. Besides that, electronic, water bottle, box, and other trash can be sold for cash. So if you sell trash, you not only save the environment, but make money in exchange. If you buy recycled materials, they are less expensive and you will also save money. So today I would like to share how to make a rockful air fan. It's working on rock. It doesn't require too much power. It can save the use of electricity and save your money too, because it just uses recycled item and it can solve the problem of cooling our body during hot day. And it's easy to carry around by hand, which means you are free to use it everywhere. It also can be as an interesting toy too. So, how to make it? Let me show you material required to make rockful air fan. We need box, bottle cap, rock, plastic bottle, hot glue gun, soldering iron, ink cartridge, cutter, and scissors. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Making fan blade. Take a box, make a small circle, then stick all circles together by using a hot glue gun. After that, make 3 blades and join the circle with these 3 blades to make it as a fan blade. Make a hole in the middle of the fan blade. Take the ink cartridge and stick it. Step 2. Making hole. Take one plastic bottle, make a hole in the plastic bottle cap, in the bottom of the bottle and other hole in the side of the bottle using a soldering iron. Remember, please be careful when using a soldering iron because it is hot. You can get injured if mishandled. Step 3. Inserting rope. Insert the rope into the hole in the plastic bottle and tie it on the ink cartridge. After that, tie the rope to the plastic bottle cap. Roll the rope until the end. Dip and pull it to allow the fan rod to rotate. Now your fan is ready to be used. So it's easy and interesting, right? We also can make rubber fan like this by using aluminium can and plastic bottle. And also a simple fan from recycled box like this. And fan from nipah leaf. Therefore, we can make use of recycled items to save your budget, reduce the use of electricity, and in the same time protect the environment. Let us use recycled items creatively or sell them at recycling sites so that they are processed into basic materials again. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Save your money, nature is preserved. That's all. Thank you.